Cattle, oo, palabas. So ito yung pool area.
This is the pool area?
Yeah, that is it. And this is the glamping area.
Balayhanan.
Balayhanan. And this is, dun yata dapat tayo eh. Hindi, dito muna. Gagi, baka bangin na to. Madulas.
This is the Swan Lake area.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
Ano, parang bugs on the middle of the...
Kaya, ay, pwede yata tayong sumakay dyan eh.
Oo nga.
Oh no, mataas.
Kaya mo yan. Go, Doxy!
Ah. Oh yeah.
Ay, ang cute!
May kotse.
Ka doon. Ito,
Oh.
paddle boat area.
Ito. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Ah, ito yung level 3. Oh, nagtutour sila. Yeah. Nice one. Ah, yes.
This is Balayhanan.
Okay. Maybe, baka dito tayo.
Oo, dito nga tayo.
This is the level 3. Level 3.
Ay, ang galing.
Oh, nice too.
Ay, may mga...
Oo. Uy, may ihawan nga eh. Ihawan. Kaso may core cage. So, level 3.
Ah, baba.
Oo. Like, uy, sarado. Oh no.
Cannot go.
This is the end of the trip.
We're gonna have a detour.
Doon sila pupunta sa Swan.
Ay, ang galing.
Naliligo sila doon. Oh no. Yeah. May daan kanina dun eh.
Patapos
May mga anak na ilalagay pa dyan. Parang ang liit naman kung kasya ang 6.
At pagpasok ko, kwarto agad.
Not sure about that. Balay Amihan, 1 to 10.
Balay, Makiling.
Ay, ito Makiling. 8 to 15.
Balay Makiling.
Oh.
Better yung ano niya, outdoor seating.
Maganda. At saka may puno. Ayan, may puno.
May landscape.
Landscape, yes. And,
Outdoor seating.
yeah. Tapos malapit siya sa buffet. So,
At saka sa pool.
yes.
It's level 2. We're now going to go to level 1.
Level 2. And then, level 1. Parang ito na yon. This is the level 1. Level 1. Oo, same lang. Same glamp. Ito may pine tree.
Ay, may vines.
May vines, yeah. Nice too. Tapos may papaya, pwede magkinola. Balay Makiling.
Ay, Balay Makiling din to.
Yes. May iba pa ba? What's the other level? Wala na. Ano to?
Parang event center.
Okay. Dito, gusto mo pang pumunta dyan.
Animal feeding.
Animal.
Carabao. There, that is our motor.
Yeah.
Kalabaw.
Oh, the cow.
Kalabaw.
Kalabaw. Ay, ang laki.
Grabe, no?
Ang laki niya. Okay, and this is the